G'day folks, Adam from Ruslan Foundry here, introducing our latest model. A Corris 4-wheel brake van. This is our most complicated model to date, despite being quite small. Shown is the 7/8 variety. So inside we have a separate brake wheel stand and bench seat, as well as full internal planking, both the floor and all the walls. Same on the other side. We have the prototypical oval buffers. In this version's case, a non-prototypical socket for a link and pin coupling, because that's what I use. This model is also available with a plain buffer beam with a simple hole for a hook and chain. We have lamp brackets, our running board, some nice rivet detail. Okay, our door can be posed in either the open or shut position. It has a magnet to hold it in either position, so it won't rattle closed if you're running open, or rattle open if you're running closed. Our roof attaches with 3 magnets, clips on as such, with very nice weather strips, and yeah, overall a very pretty little van. This model is also to be available in 16mm scale. The 16mm version will not have capacity for the link and pin, and will just be the plain buffer beam with a central hole. Other than that, it will be virtually identical, just 72% of the size. I hope this is of interest to people, and this is available on our Facebook page. I'll attach some video of the prototype running as part of a contest. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.